Welcome to GalleryID, where we match the name to the face. This tutorial covers creating categories and subcategories for your teams. Let's create a new category for a team. Click New Category in the sidebar. A form appears at the bottom. Type your category name. This is typically the sport like volleyball or football. Now add a subcategory. Enter the name and a display name. The display name is what appears in roster dropdowns, so make it specific. VB 2025-26 tells you the sport, year, and season at a glance. Click Save. Your new category appears in the sidebar with the subcategory nested inside. Need another subcategory? Click the plus icon next to the category name. Fill in the subcategory name and display name. Save again. Now you have a category with two subcategories, ready for headshot uploads. Stop tagging. Start delivering. Visit our tutorial library at GalleryID to learn more.